Good day, sir. Crimes under different title. Number 1, Title 1. Crimes against national security and the law of nation. Number 2, Title 2. Crimes against the fundamental laws of the state. Number 3, Title 3. Crimes against public order. Number 4, Title 4. Crimes against public interest. Number 5, Title 5. Crimes related to opium and other prohibited drugs. Number 6, Title 6. Crimes against public morals. Number 7, Title 7. Crimes committed by public officers. Number 8, Title 8. Crimes against person. Number 9, Title 9. Crimes against person, liberty, and the security. Number 10, Title 10. Crimes against property. Number 11, Title 11. Crimes against chastity. Number 12, Title 12. Crimes against the civil status of persons. Number 13, Title 13. Crimes against honor. Number 14, Title 14. Conscience offenses. Number 15, Title 15. Final provisions. Title 1, Crimes against national security and the law of nation. Ito yung mga crimes na nasa ilalim ng title na ito. Number 1, Article 114, treason. Number 2, Article 115, conspiracy and proposal to commit treason. Number 3, Article 116, misprisions of treason. Number 4, Articles 117, espionage. Number 5, Article 118, inciting to war or giving motives for reprisals. Number 6, Articles 119, violation of neutrality. Number 7, Article 120, correspondence with hostile country. Number 8, Article 121, fight to enemy country. Number 9, Article 122, piracy and general and mutiny and the high cess. Number 10, Article 123, qualified piracy. Article 114, treason, any person who, owing allegiance to the United States or the government of the Philippines, is land not inmates giving them and or comfort within the Philippine island or islewear shall be punished reclusion temporal to death and shall pay fine not to exceed 20,000 pesos. No person shall be convicted of treason unless on that testimony of two witnesses at least to the same overt act or on confession or the accused and open court. Likewise, an alien residing in the Philippines island who commit act of treason as defined in paragraph 1 of this article shall be punished by prison mayor to death and shall pay a fine not to exceed 20,000 pesos as amended by EO and No 44 May 31, 1945. Elements of treason. Number 1, that the offender is a Filipino citizen or an alien residing in the Philippines. Number 2, that there is a war in which the Philippines is involved. Number 3, that the offender either A. lives were against the government or B. adheres to the enemies giving them and or comfort. Unang element, ang offender ay may sala sa pwedeng mamamayang Pilipino o isang dayuhan na naninirahan dito sa Pilipinas. Pangalawang element, dapat may gera na ang Pilipinas ay isa sa mga kasali ng giyera na yan. Pangatlong element, ang offender o may sala ay A. Nagkumpol-kumpol o nagtipon-tipon para makipagkera sa gobyerno ng Pilipinas. O di kaya ito ay ginawa niya B. Kumampi sa kalaban sa pamamagitan ng pagbigay ng ayuda o kaginhawan. Treason defined. Treason is a breach of allegiance to a government committed by a person who has allegiance to it. 63 C.G. 814. Ang treason o pagtaksil ay isang pagsira ng katapatan sa gobyerno na ginawa ng isang tao na may katungkulan maging tapat sa kanyang gobyerno. Allegiance defined. By the term, allegiance is made to the obligation of fidelity and obedience which the individuals who to the government under which the life or to their suffrage in return for the protection they receive. 52 AM John 797. Ang allegiance o katapatan ay isang obligasyon ng pagiging matapat at masunurin na pagkakautang ng bawat isa sa kanyang gobyerno na sa ilalim nito sila ay pinoprotektahan. Treason cannot be committed in time of peace. Ang ibig sabihin nito, kahit ang ginawa ng isang Pilipino o dayuhan na naninirahan dito sa Pilipinas ay pagtataksil sa gobyerno. Hindi ito matatawag na treason kung wala namang giyera o digmaan sa ibang bansa na ang Pilipinas ay kasali. Two ways or modes of committing treason. Number one, by leaving war against the government. Number two, by adhering to the enemies of the Philippines, giving them aid or comfort. Meaning of leaves war. Leaving war requires the conscience of two things. One, the be actual assembling or mean, and two, for the purpose of executing a treasonable design by force. The war must be direct against the government requirements of the second war or mode of coming treason. In the second way or mode of coming treason, number one, adherence, and number two, give and or comfort to the enemy must concur together, others alone without giving aid or comfort to the enemy is not sufficient to constitute treason. Conversely, and comfort alone without others and not treason. Treason by Filipino citizen can be committed outside of the Philippines. Treason by an alien must be committed in the Philippines. Way of proving treason. A person may be convicted at treason on any of the following evidence only. Number one, testimony of two witnesses at least to the same overt act, or number two, confession of the accused in open court. Thank you, sir.